How does Title VII impact the hiring process? Have you ever wondered how laws shape the way we get hired? Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 changed the hiring process in the United States forever. This law made it illegal for employers to discriminate against job applicants based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. Before this law, many hiring practices excluded minority groups and women, reflecting the inequality that existed in society. With Title VII in effect, employers had to evaluate candidates based on their skills and qualifications. This was a big change from the past, where hiring decisions often relied on biased factors. The law applies to employers with 15 or more employees, covering both private and public sectors. In practical terms, Title VII forced companies to rethink their hiring practices. Job advertisements, interview questions, and selection tests had to be designed to avoid any exclusionary elements. Employers needed to ensure that their hiring policies were fair and did not disadvantage certain groups unless those policies were necessary for the job. The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission is responsible for enforcing Title VII. This organization investigates complaints of discrimination and can impose penalties on employers who break the law. These penalties can include monetary damages and orders to stop discriminatory practices. This enforcement mechanism encouraged employers to comply with the law. Looking back at the 1960s, Title VII was part of a larger movement for social change. The civil rights movement and the counterculture challenged traditional norms and demanded equality. Title VII represented a legal commitment to fairness in the workplace, aligning with the era's push against segregation and discrimination. It opened doors for many who had been excluded from fair employment and laid the groundwork for ongoing efforts toward workplace equality. Title VII transformed the hiring process by legally prohibiting discrimination. It required employers to focus on merit and qualifications, ensuring a fairer hiring landscape. This change was a key milestone in the struggle for civil rights in the 1960s and continues to shape employment practices today.